I have a Subaru Ascent here. This one got wiped out down the side. It's getting 2 new doors, a new fender, and then you can see the quarter panel is completely demolished.
Oh no! Wow!
So this one's going to be getting a new quarter panel, which I have right here, and they have a way to section this in the dog leg area right here, and then through the window opening. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do a quick pull on this area just to roughly get it out before I start cutting this panel off. The reason for that is the wheelhouse in here is folded up a little bit, and I just want to roughly bring it out before I cut this panel off. So I have this quarter panel roughly sitting on there, and it's overlapping the existing part on the car by about 1 inch or so. I'm gonna scribe this. At all 3 of the seams. Then I'll lift this panel back off and I'll trim that back, and that'll give me a perfect seam. So I have this one all fit together, and I have my rear door gap nice and flush and even, as well as the taillight fits nice, and the gaps at the liftgate to quarter panel look nice. I'm going to go ahead and pull these parts back off, and I'm going to get this quarter panel welded on. So I just noticed this one had kind of a sucked in spot right here. I don't remember seeing that until just a few minutes ago, so I don't know if it happened from welding or if it was already like that. It was minor, so I could have missed it. But I'm gonna take this glaze coat down into that area to make sure I get that spot fixed as well. I have some epoxy primer that I mixed up right here, and I'm putting this down where the window urethane goes. Then I'll let this dry for a little bit, and this one will be ready for our paint department to prep it out and get it painted.